Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for February 26, 2020. Today, we're going to look at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, for today's trade analysis. Let's look back in history a little bit. I've drawn these boxes on the chart to show how significant the area that we are in is for the dollar CAD. We've seen a lot of resistance and even reversal from this area. And I'm not just talking about the 1.33 level, the current resistance level, which is the purple shaded area on the chart. I'm talking about the orange and even the pink shaded area higher. If you look at the far left black box, you can see the congestion, the indecision, and then eventually reversal to go down from the green, purple, orange, and pink shaded area in the black box far left-hand side of the chart all the way up into the mid 133s, even spiking all the way up here towards the 134 level. Then it went down, came back up, this little blue box here, some congestion, purple, orange, and pink. Then it went down, came back up, black box here, which is an interesting one when you think about our current market price, green, purple, and orange areas resistance, significant reversal. And now here we are again. Got a little blue box here where we saw a little bit of reversal here, and now we're right back up into the 133 level. So this area, 133 up to 133.50, is a significant price zone as resistance for the dollar CAD. You know, we could take even a trend line, something like this, a red trend line, and say we've seen this area as resistance for quite a long time into this red trend line I've just drawn here, kind of a falling red trend line there. So here we are again. So the question is, are we going to find resistance underneath 133 again and turn lower, which we happen to be under that black trend line as well? Could spike even as high as 133.15.25 level, the orange shaded area just above the market. And we could see that in the most recent blue box and black box where it found resistance even as high as the 15.25 level, the orange shaded area, to go down, or will it eventually? Probably the 133.35.45 level, the pink shaded area, the break of that would look for the continuation of the uptrend. The past couple of days, though, finding resistance right around the 133 level. Let's zoom it in a little bit, and you can see what's happened in the past Monday, Tuesday, now Wednesday, right around 133, toying with it, trying to break above it. So far, unable to break above 1.33 in the past few days. So there's a couple of things we can do here. Watch for evidence of selling pressure from the purple zone 133 and maybe take some intraday short opportunities, or we wait for the breakout above the 133 purple zone and look for opportunities for spikes higher. You know, the issue there is 133 to 133.15.25. The orange zone is not very far. So buying, you're limiting your potential profit potential into 133.15. Selling, the possibility is that it goes from 133 back down to 132.75.65, the green zone. That would be reversal to go back down, and through there, I think your profit potential gets even greater as you go down towards the 132.40.30 level, the yellow shaded area down here. So we're still trying to figure that out, aren't we? Should we buy this as it's at the top of the trend and into a significant price handle 1.33, or should we wait and watch for signs of reversal? I think a real good sign of reversal to go down would be the breakdown of 132.65, the green shaded area. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see what's been happening for the past few days. Market been up and down. Let's zoom it in one more time. Look at that. This area here, maybe we could take a box and put it there. You know, this area right here, we've been somewhat range bound inside of this. Let's make this a box so it's easier to see. There you go. So it's been range bound inside of here. We're currently at the top near the 133 level. May be your best opportunity if you're looking for the short side and for it to continue within this range bound market. This could be your very best opportunity to do that with limited risk and higher potential reward. For this to go down, a couple of things need to happen for the dollar CAD to go down. First off, we need oil to turn around and go back up. If oil can find support and go back up, we'll look for this to go down. We'll look at that in the trade room later on today. We also need the USD to continue selling off as it has been for the past couple of days, but we need USD to sell off. We need oil to bounce higher. That will improve the chances of this going back down towards the green zone or lower. And if the opposite of that happens, oil continues to fall and maybe the US dollar has a rally and goes back up, we could look for the breakout above 133. I don't think we can call this a breakout yet, but we're definitely watching for a push above 133 or potential intraday reversal once again for the dollar CAD.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.